Hey guys, welcome back to Shawn's Early Broncos. In today's video, we're going to go and cover just an unboxing of James Duff's T-Rex arms. I decided to go with the Midnight Black series, and I can provide a link for that in the description down below. But yeah, another day in the garage, so let's get going. All right, at the front of the Bronco and down here at the bottom, I just got done having this laid out for you guys. I have the moving blanket down so it doesn't scratch it. Comes powder coated, and it actually has a little bit of a flake to it, which is kind of cool. I don't know if you guys can see it too well. It's a little dusty, but it came out of the box. I already pulled it out of the box for you guys so that you don't have to watch me do that. But it comes with a whole bunch of hardware, instructions, and so forth. And yeah, I decided to go, instead of the blue, the Midnight Black's about 50 bucks more, I believe. And then, if you don't know what these are the radius arms that go behind the axle, which I'll go ahead and show you guys as well. All right, so right here, we're at the front fender where the coil springs are and the shocks. I'm gonna go right inside. Get to be an ant on the tire. Nice and grody down here. But this right here is my old 40-plus-year-old radius arm that runs all the way up to the axle. And my seat bushings and stuff are pretty bad. Here, let's get another angle. Okay, how's this angle here? This shows you the bushings that were in there. Someone replaced them at one point, the previous owner, but they're overdue for a replacement. And then my radius arms are pretty old, and then you can see the C bushings here, which are probably the 7-degree bushings. I have other bushings that I'm going to be getting that I could show you on another video. Try to keep these pretty short, just a quick unboxing. But all this stuff is getting replaced, the springs, shocks, everything, for a 2.5-inch Thomas Bronco lift. And yeah, and then you can see the other side over there, the whole radius arm is over there. That'll be getting replaced. The new ones, if you don't know much about them, they're angled, as you can see here. Now they're sitting up a little bit, and this allows you more tire clearance space when you turn your wheel for bigger tires. I might go up to a 35 at some point. So anyways, 35s, I don't know if I'll go bigger than 35s. I kind of like the idea of the 33s or 35s. Feel free to give a comment down below if you think it should be bigger for some reason. But that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. This is just the weekend mechanic kind of stuff on a Bronco. Learn a few things on my mistakes and my skills and experience that I've done over the years. Just remember, I'm just a hobbyist. I love doing this, and just thought I'd share my experiences with you guys. So till next time, take care, stay safe.